In today's video, I'm here to teach you how to see chat and hand raises when presenting in Microsoft Teams. If you're in the middle of a call or meeting and sharing your screen, it can be easy to miss important audience interaction. People may be sending messages in the chat or raising their hand to ask a question, and if you're focused on presenting, those signals can slip by. Fortunately, Microsoft Teams makes it simple to check both of these during your meeting. To get started, make sure you're already in your Teams call or meeting while presenting. This is the point where you're actively sharing content and want to keep track of what's happening with your attendees. When you're presenting, it's a good habit to occasionally check the meeting controls so you stay aware of any questions or participation from the group. First, look for the chat option in the meeting controls and click on it to see the chat. This will open the meeting conversation so you can read messages from participants without leaving the meeting. This is especially helpful if someone is asking for clarification, posting a link, or letting you know there's an issue with the audio or the presentation. Keeping an eye on chat can make your presentation feel more interactive and helps you respond quickly when something comes up. Next, click on People to see who has raised their hand. The People panel shows the list of participants in the meeting, and it's also where you can check for raised hands. This is useful when you're presenting to a larger group and want to manage questions in an organized way. Instead of relying on interruptions, you can quickly see who is waiting to speak and decide the best moment to pause and call on them. As a general tip, if you're presenting for an extended period, it's helpful to briefly check both the chat and People panels at natural stopping points, such as after finishing a section or before moving to a new topic. That way, you can stay engaged with your audience while keeping your presentation smooth and professional, and that's all there is to it. While presenting in Microsoft Teams, use chat to view meeting messages and use People to see who has raised their hand. It's a simple way to stay connected with your audience and make sure you don't miss important participation during your meeting.